big woman, head of operations, but she made time and said, look, she'll come to the studio and tell us about bancassurance and all that we need to do. Thank you so much for coming, Dorothy. How are you?
I'm great.
Nice. And I see you brought your handbag.
Very necessary access.
But how's the team at Hollard doing?
Great. We're all doing very well.
Awesome. Okay, so at least a decade ago, banks, do their banking and insurance companies do their insurance. But in recent times, one will find that banks also, distribute insurance products. And I got to know it's called Bancassurance. What has given birth to the rise in this trend of banks also selling insurance?
Thank you very much, Lexis, and good afternoon to your very esteemed and discerning listeners. So, bancassurance basically is an arrangement between an insurance company and a bank to be able to distribute insurance products. This arrangement has come about because there's a lot of competition in the banking sector, and because of competition usually births what we call like innovation. So for banks to be able to stay relevant to their customers, bancassurance enables them to be able to offer products and services that can meet the arising financial needs of their clients, as well as remaining very relevant to all their financial needs. So bancassurance it's an arrangement that just allows both parties to mutually sell and give protection or financial solutions to existing clients of a bank.
Is it one way or it's two way? Because it sounds to me that the banks are rather selling the insurance companies. Do you sell the bank products?
So the insurance company does not sell the bank's products.
Okay.
It is the
bank that sell the insurance company's products.
But we can enhance the existing products of the bank with insurance values.
It's like going to a one-stop shop for everything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Marriage of convenience.
Yes.
Sort of.
Yes.
How's it regulated?
So this partnership or this marriage of convenience is regulated by the National Insurance Commission.
Okay.
They have guidelines and rules as to how it's set up and how the arrangement is supposed to be run. So basically regulated by the National Insurance Commission.
So if I get it, it's like the bank serves as an agent of sorts for the insurance company.
Yes, the bank is described as what we call a corporate agent. The bank becomes a corporate agent to distribute the product, and its staff or people in there who sell to individuals or clients of the bank are what we call sub-agents. So they all become the bank is a corporate agent in this relationship.
But this one is not regulated by Bank of Ghana. They don't come in at all. It's only the NIC, the National Insurance Commission.
So in terms of licensing, the National Insurance Commission licenses the bank to sell it, but the Bank of Ghana needs to give the bank approval to be able to sell insurance products. So the arrangement is such that there is permission sought to be able to engage in this type of business, because a bank's primary business basically is to take deposits, I guess, and lend money. So the Bank of Ghana needs to approve for them to be able to distribute insurance products.
Okay.
But then the licensing is done by the National Insurance Commission.
So the banks are licensed by the Insurance Commission to sell insurance products and also approved by the Bank of Ghana.
Yes.
That's it. And, initially I thought it was one-sided, but of course for you, the bank also gets to enhance the products that they have. Is that all that's in it for the bank?
So the bank, not only that. So yes, so first there's the one-stop shop for all your financial needs. There's also enhancing their existing products and offering relevant products to their customers. And then it also serves as another revenue stream for the bank.
Because you pay them something off it.
Yeah, so there's a fee that they get for distributing the products. So that becomes a revenue stream for them as well.
Okay. So wait, what happens if I buy insurance from say Bank A and there's a claim on my policy? Who do I go to? Do I go to the bank, or I have to ask the bank where the insurers are and go and find them?
No, so where you bought the policy, you can file your claim there. But then also, if you know the insurance company involved, you can also file your claim with the insurance company. So all the branches of the bank and all the branches of the insurance company then become touch points where your clients can go to, offering more convenience to them.
Oh, I see. That sounds good. Okay, well, is there anything else you'd want us to know about bank assurance? Because I think I get the concept. I understand it a lot better now. Thank you very much, Dorothy. But anything else you'd want to share with us?
So the bancassurance arrangement is important for all of us to have, because as a means of distributing and enhancing the bank's product, that value is there for everyone. It's also a means by which the industry, in terms of the insurance industry, increases penetration of insurance to reach as many people as possible,
Right.
to give them the protection they require for the needs of life and the occurrences and events of life that come about. So it's a very important relationship that exists, and existing banks need to take advantage of this as much as possible.
Well, good stuff. And I'm sure you can ask your bank if they have a deal with Hollard Life Assurance Company Limited, one of the best in Ghana.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about Hollard Life.
So Hollard Life is an insurance company, a life insurance company that's a subsidiary of Hollard Ghana. Our purpose is to enable more people to create and secure a better future. And we partner by delivering what we call the win-win-win. We want our customers to win. We want our partners who partner with us to win. So a bank assurance relationship in this sense with Hollard Life would ensure that the banking partner wins, and then there's a win for Hollard as well. Then we also, as a result of this, we have a range of products that we have introduced that have the name Adipa. Adipa is a prefix that goes with all our product names, because Adipa in local language means a good thing.
A good thing, yeah.
So every product from Hollard Life is a good
thing.
It's a good thing.
I
So
like that.
we have the Adipa family plan that offers you an insurance cover, a life insurance cover in terms of a term assurance, as well as a funeral cover. And we cover, when we say funeral cover for Hollard Life, every defined extended or nuclear family relationship is covered. You have situations where most of the time you have some exclusions to the types of roles or relationships you can cover. But so long as it's defined in and as an extended family relationship, Hollard Life will cover that under their Adipa family plan. Then we have recently launched two amazing savings products. The Adipa savings plan, and then the Adipa Goal Save. The Adipa savings plan allows you to choose how much you want to pay for the duration you want, so long as it's between a period of 5 and 20 years.
Okay.
And this money is saved and invested, and all the returns are returned to you. We guarantee that whatever you put in, by the 5th year, you should get your money back.
Okay.
With whatever returns that come with. The Goal Save product is unique. That Adipa Goal Save is unique in the sense that it offers you a vehicle to choose what target you want in the future. So if it's an education for yourself or for your children, you can decide, okay, you have a child who's 5 years, you're looking at the child going to secondary school. You can plan towards that secondary school time and save towards that.
Okay.
And it has embedded in it what we call an inflation protector, such that the value of education today, you should be able to afford it then in the future, but we do not increase your premiums. So that's a very unique feature for Adipa.
And I'm sure we can get it in your partner banks as well.
Yes.
Thanks to Bancassurance.
Yes, we can.
There you go. Thank you so much, Dorothy Salifu. She's head of operations at Hollard Life Assurance Company Limited, and she's been telling us about Bancassurance this afternoon on our Drive Time with Insurance. I'm grateful that you came by. Thank you so much. And you brought my very good friend Cynthia along as well with her short hair. I love it.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so the Drive Time with Insurance is always proudly brought to you by the Ghana Insurance Association. Claims payment is our business. Yep. If you have any issues, you want clarity on any of the topics that we talk about, you can call the GIA Claims Management and Advice Bureau on 0800 44 2000. Okay, call those numbers and the team will be on hand to help you. Well, Hollard says come to us because it's a win-win-win situation. Yes, we are going to win. You're going to win. Everybody wins.